Can you guess the largest bird on the planet? Stay tuned to uncover the top 5 giants of the avian world. Number 5 is the Dalmatian pelican, with a wingspan of over 10 feet. In fourth place, the southern cassowary is known for its blue skin and helmeted head. Holding the third spot, the Andean condor, with a massive wingspan, rules the skies. Second is the emu, Australia's pride, standing at nearly 6 feet tall. Finally, the largest of them all, the ostrich, racing across savannas on 2 powerful legs. Hit the like button if you found this fascinating.